Hello and welcome to this amazing video. I am Aamir Ali and today we are going to cover the topic 3NF and BCNF. So today we are going to learn Introduction to Database Normalization, definition of 3NF, characteristics of 3NF and example, definition of BCNF, characteristics of BCNF and example, and at last we are going to see the difference between 3NF and BCNF. Database normalization is a fundamental process in a relational database design that aims to organize data in a database, reducing redundancy and improving data integrity. It involves structuring the database in multiple related tables, ensuring data dependencies are clearly defined. So, what is 3NF or third normal form? Third normal form is a database normalization rule that helps to eliminate redundant data and ensures data integrity. It states that a table should be in 2NF and have no transitive functional dependencies, where transitive functional dependencies is the functional dependency between two non-prime attributes. The main principle of 3NF are: first, no partial dependency should be present; second, no transitive dependency should be present; and third, every attribute is directly dependent on the primary key. The following are the characteristics of 3NF. First, it eliminates partial dependencies, which means 3NF ensures that no non-key attribute depends on only a part of primary key, thus eliminating partial dependencies and improving data integrity. Second, it removes transitive dependencies. In 3NF, transitive dependencies are removed by separating attributes that are not directly dependent on the primary key into new tables. Third, simplified query structure. By removing redundant data and dependencies, 3NF simplifies the structure of database queries, making them more efficient and easier to maintain. Fourth, it enhances data integrity. 3NF promotes data integrity by minimizing data duplication and ensuring that all non-key attributes are fully dependent on the primary key. So here in the example, we can see that employee table is not in 3NF because hourly rate is determined by the rate group, and so there is transitive dependency between two non-key attributes. Thus, we use decomposition to split the table, separating hourly rate and rate group. As we can see in the example that the AMP1 and AMP2 are resultant table, thus eliminating transitive dependency. Hence, the table are in 3NF. Now, let us move on with what is BCNF or Boyce Court Normal Form. BCNF is an advanced version of third normal form, as 3NF does not remove 100% redundancy in the cases where for a functional dependency, let us say A to B, A is not the candidate key of the table. To deal with such situation, BCNF was introduced. By enforcing stricter rules, BCNF helps to eliminate data redundancy, update anomalies, and other issues that can compromise data integrity. Stronger normalization. BCNF is more rigorous form of database normalization compared to 3NF. It eliminates certain type of anomalies and inconsistencies that can still exist in 3NF. Candidate keys. BCNF requires that all determinants in table must be candidate keys. This ensures stronger data integrity. Following are the characteristics of BCNF. First, strict adherence to determinants. BCNF requires that every determinant in a relation must be a candidate key, ensuring that there are no partial or transitive dependencies. Second, elimination of anomalies. By adhering to strict rules, BCNF effectively eliminates update, insertion, and deletion anomalies that can occur in a relation that are not in BCNF. Third, simplified schema design. BCNF results in a more simplified database schema as it removes redundant data and ensures each relation has a single purpose. Here in the example of BCNF, consider a table student prof with columns S number, S name, P number and P name. This table violates BCNF because the dependency P number to P name is not a super key. To achieve BCNF, we should split the student prof table into two tables. So in the image, we can see that the student prof table is splitted into two tables having foreign key student pnum references to Professor pnum. Differences between 3NF and BCNF. Key distinction. The primary difference lies in their approach to identifying and resolving transitive dependencies. Transitive dependencies. 3NF addresses transitive dependencies while BCNF goes further by eliminating all partial dependencies. Complexity. BCNF is a stronger and more rigorous form of normalization, making it more complex to achieve. At last, I hope that the whole topic is clear. Thank you.